This video we will create virtual local area network and we will attack it. First of all, what is meant by virtual local area network? Virtual local area network is a network, one single network divided into small parts. Like in a company, imagine that in a company have four departments. One is HR, another one is developer, another one is client, another one is something. If you need for four departments, single different networks, while setuping it will make more cost. So in the same network, we can divide multiple parts that multiple parts. That is the how they will create means they will use the virtual local area network. This is the what is the meaning of virtual local area network. And coming to lab setup, I have used Raspberry i5. In that I have used Kali Linux. If you have Raspberry, you can go, or else you can go using VirtualBox. You can install VirtualBox. In that you can install Kali. Same. And I have used here SSH for connecting the Raspberry to my laptop. I have used SSH. If you are using virtualization, no need to connect SSH. You can go directly at Kali and you can type it will work. And remember that mainly we need to find which IP is which one. If you do wrong IP, the attack will not work. And also remember that this attack is going on Ethernet cable, and the attack name is virtual local area network hopping, and another attack name is double tagging. First, this video is we will go to virtual area network hopping. Okay, see, this is the lab setup. Yeah, we have connected to our SSH. If you need to see GUI uh, while using, you can install VNC server. I am starting my VNC server just for GUI. We will do all in this terminal only. And yeah, this is the GUI. Yeah, this is the GUI Kali links, and we will check whether internet is connected or not. We will open one YouTube because yeah, internet is coming. Okay, internet is connected. Or else you can check here also while doing ping. Uh, you can check the three packets transmitted and three packets received. 0% loss, time 200 milliseconds. This step onwards, first we will create a virtual local area network. For that, first command here can go sudo will ask password. Yeah, and we need to give a name for the virtualization. For that, we need to follow sudo IP link add link. Means we are using the Ethernet, so we are naming as Ethernet 10.10. So we need to type ethernet.n. The virtual area we can find here ethernet.n is our virtualization. We can follow the contact. Confusing. Yeah, successfully created. Now we need to check IP. See that this is the my Ethernet cable I am using as a SSH connection between my Raspberry and my system. And also I have created virtual local area network in this Ethernet cable. So in that Ethernet cable, it will automatically will not take a IP address. So we need to give an IP address manually. So remember that host part you need to be the same, and the remaining client part you need to be changed as your own. And remember that whatever you're changing, you need to remember for attacking. Hmm. The command you need to give for IP address manually. Ethernet 10. Yeah, unknown, it's showing unknown. Yeah, the command is working. We have done small typing mistake. So check is this is the command. And the second, we need to enable the uh, virtual local area network. So we need to do the second command and we need to check whether it's showing or not. Mm, yeah, see, this is the virtual local area network. Yeah, during the proof we have successfully created virtual time. So first we need to observe whether the virtualization is correctly working or not. For that we need to observe it. We will use TCP dump. This is the command we need to follow. See, now it's listening. So we need to open another new terminal for generating traffic. We can use ping for generating traffic or generating command. Yeah, now we are generating traffic. We can go to the whole terminal and we can see dot VLAN dot ten. Yeah, we have find it. So see here VLAN 10 packets are receiving. So we have created virtual local area network. We need to create a permanently in our device means I will ping in comment box, not in ping in description. You can follow there the commands for the permanent. This is I'm doing only for a temporary purpose, so I'm not saving as a permanently. For permanently, there is a small two steps you need to follow. Same to go, we are seeing to attack. In this attack, how it will work means we are creating a fake request means covering with fake request. In that we are sending our data means example take a two envelope covers. One is organized envelope covers. In that organized envelope cover, we are putting another envelope cover and we are sending the fake data. If postman will see the first starting organized envelope cover and it will okay it is our organized so we can upload. So like that we are doing this attack also. For that we are using Scapy Python tool. First we need to start the tool. So this is the command. First we need to write code. In that I have already mm, written the code for this project. So this code I will uh, link and I will put in description. You can copy paste or else you can create your own code. In this code, you can observe clearly there is a confidence configuration section and double tagging packets and that sending packets. Here we are doing two envelope covers. One is navigate LAN envelope cover one and target envelope cover. Okay. If I explain every line, the video length will go too high, so I'm doing copy paste. And now you can enter control S in the control X. Now here we will use the sudo Python 3 data unlock our file name. Yeah, yeah, it's starting. Yeah, attack is going. They should dots as well. Not every dot is sending one double clicks. And this is a blind attack. We cannot get a request from the targets because target didn't know which router we need to send the packets, so we cannot get the packets. If you want to see the sending packets, you can use another terminal using TCP dump. First, I need to think we have successfully completed our thing. So we need to press Control C, and here also we need to press Control C, and we need to kill all the script available here. We need to kill Python 3. Now process form sudo need to kill DC need to delete that Ethernet cable. So cannot find the Ethernet cable. Okay. And this is the command we need to clear any Python script is available or not. If we remove first, check and in that now reading file we have successfully cleared. And thank you. This is the video.